So Tamil literature and this part of the India contradicts Aryan Invasion Theory in total. In ancient Tamil literature, including Sangam literature, it is not even one time mentioned that the migration of Dravidians from Sindhu to Tamil Nadu. So ancient texts mentioned its rivers like Kaveri, Vaigai, Anpurane, Kanji, etc. Even Ganga River, even Himalayas, Podigai Hills, but no place name of Sindhu area. It is conspicuously absent. That is one thing. On the contrary, the ancient Tamil text mentioned the migration of people of Pandya kingdom from the south to north. North to south is not. It is not mentioned. Totally absent. On the contrary, south to north migration is mentioned. Exactly opposite thing is mentioned. Because this Kumari land, which was present down south of the present Kanyakumari, was submerged in ocean. There is Tenmadurai, Kapadapuram, and Kumari, and Kanya River, and Pakurili River was there. It was submerged in Hindu Ocean at least some 10,000 years ago. So these people, this Pandya kingdom people, they migrated northernwards and settled at the present day Madurai. There are evidence in Sangam literature. Purananuru, Madurai Kanchi, and Silappadigaram. Silappadigaram mentioned வடிவேலிருந்த வான்பகை பொறாது பகுருளி ஆற்றுடன் பன்முளை எடுக்குத்து குமரிக்கோடும் கொடுங்கடல் கொள்ள வடதிசை கங்கையும் இமயம் கொண்டு தென் திசை ஆண்ட தென்னமன் வாழ். That shows that this Pandya king and his people migrated from Kumari land south to north, not from Sindhu to Tamil Nadu. That is not from north to south, but exactly south to north. Totally contradicts. No literature mentioned Tapati, Narvada, Godavari, Krishna, Tungabhadra on any river they crossed if they would have come from Sindhu to Tamil Nadu. So this is totally Tamil literature contradicts Aryan invasion theory. That we should understand.